Gab, pauli si Ash. Ikaw, makaw, malayas mo. Malayas mo.
Malayas na, mama. Meow, meow.
Purman na.
Tatawag mo natin kasi yan, mabakal kita.
Bakal na naman ka mo.
Ba't itariya yun?
Hoy, sa aga bawal tabi ng parabakal. Pag tapo, dapat picture na magbakal.
Oh, may dyan, nagbakal si Papa. Sa aga? Mabakal sa aga buga. Ay, ano?
Oo, bawal na mag-ano.
Mama, sa aga, makasin na sa Oo, mami.
Mga potato.
Yay! Miss ko si Ate Tia. Oh, yan. Mama, tapos.
Ang ganda.
Aray.
Ha? Yan
Dito
yun.
to ka Manila. Mama, tawi yan. Mama, tawi yan.
Di ba, kita lang na.
Tawi yan.
Thank you for watching.
Kita lang, hindi. Salpo. Ah, my goodness.
Jessie Penkmansh. No, I have no cleavage. Sorry. No cleavage.
Grocery kami ni Ate Mita.
Wow, may pag-grocery na ralaman.
May money. Para makaharap po spoon.
What is it? Thank you for join Press. Hi, join Press. Thank you for joining.
Bibi As, pumuyong ka daw. Nag-book yung ka, baby.
Hey.
Uy, roasted. Nag-iliman si As. Nanganong ko na yung ama. Muli na yung sa buhay.
So, first like, thank you, join please. Thank you so much.
Tita, nag-pray ka mo, ha?
Yes po, in the name of the Father.
Thank you. Say hi, Mama daw.
Thank you po.
Say
For
hi.
likes.
Hi.
Wow, ang galing naman.
Thank you. School yun. Sabi mo, Lord, thank you po sa pagkain. Narmaw yun.
Thank you for the likes.
Sumubi ka, ano?
Okay.
Ano ba?
Kasi, madali mo lang doon malang
Thank you
course ko.
for
Aman niya mo.
the blessing.
Ako kaso kumatasan
Leandro Mendez.
Yeah,
Hi
yeah.
po. Let's eat, guys.
What's
Let's eat coffee. Coffin Rider. Hi, Coffin Rider.
ang chicken daw po? Yum fish.
Oh my God, so hot. So hot.
OMG. So hot. I hot.
Thank you for 10 people.
14? Look. Dali. Do you
Philippines,
wanna-
yeah.
Do
The
you
best
wanna-
on returns,
Chicken,
Philippines.
chicken,
I'm from
chicken.
Philippines.
Kanay.
Bunito na ako. Mga
Oh, yes. Babakal ka? Bakal na. Ano? Asalo. 30 lang.
Hello, hello.
Next stop. Sa global ka po. Ay,
11 people in the house.
11 or 6, 7. Mayroon na ako water.
How many kids do you have? One kid.
Red pa nga yung tita. Chicken nga yan sa dami yung rayo. Ano lang, isda naman eh.
Wow. Felix. Hi, Felix. Vic Damon. Hi. Hi, whenever. Can I have some, please? Thank you so much. 16 people in the house. Ay, kumusta, mommy? I'm fine.
Bicol ka, mama. Brazil.
I love my life from Brazil. Thank you, Jessie.
What you
Fried
eating? What you
fried fish. the food, gorgeous. Thank you, Ben Damon. Jamie, Tivo on Andrea Onal. What it means?
Naging yan.
Thank you for the 6 people. Hit the likes.
7. Masilya da. Yeah.
18 people in the house. Thank you so much.
Eating gagawin na 16.
I'm hungry. Hello, my name is. Hello, Zainab. Ryan, do you look good? Where's your man? My man is not here. We're not yet met. You make your food look so good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Damon.
Isagot mo, mami. Thank you for the 15
Thank you for the 15 people here in the house.
in the balay.
You look good. Thank you. Self-love. Never been married. I've never been married.
Ban.
Hello, Shara. Hi, Robert. Jamie, hello.
It will mom ko.
It will, ma'am ko. Erickson Direct, thank you so much. Any kids? No.
One.
I have only one kid. Only one.
Ano na age mo?
I'm
31 views.
41 years old. Oh my God, 31 people in the house.
Yeah. Madali na, ha? Ito nga ni mga 11, 8.
Mm-mm.
Hindi tayo na.
Yeah.
Do you want another
Yeah.
cigar?
I want.
Yeah.
Looking young for 41. Thank you.
Looking. You look
You
so
look
much.
so much younger. Ah, thank you so much. Pretty mommy and pretty daughter. I'm 54. Nice to meet you, Robert Lawrence. Age well. Yeah, thank you. I'm from Philippines.
Philippines.
But,
Gusto ko ba, Ben?
ngayon,
Ito na pinamakan ni Father.
fine.
And you eat now?
What age man you want? Any age, as long as he can supporting me, understanding, loyal, blah, 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 respectful,
Loyal ka po.
not
Sino y-
toxic.
loyal?
Ikaw na. Huwag kang luto. Inuna ko pa no ano turuga. Pag,
Mama, gusto ko pa. Suke.
have you ever cheated on your man? I think no.
Luwit, ang sa kanina ba yung Luwit, no?
Yeah.
Ano yung Luwit?
One time, but not intentionally.
Nagka-awid ko, di maninuno.
Okay, no wonder you're so cute. But I regret what happened. I regret. Bad karma. I feel the bad karma. Not good. Cheating is not good. Why would you ask that question?
How do you cheat?
Ryan, how did you cheat unintentionally? Because we're breaking up. Then suddenly, I met someone. I entertain someone. We already break up. Then suddenly, I meet someone. I'm in love with someone. And then suddenly, maybe he realized that he can't live without me. He can't live.
I love you.
He can't lose in me. Then he came back.
Have
So
a happy
he
new
asked for
year.
another
Happy
chance.
New Year!
Then I don't know how to say to my new. I told that I have new boyfriend. But yeah, I took 2 months, so I'm cheated. Not good. That's what? Talking to 2 months is it's called cheating. Micro cheating.
Kaya,
It's micro cheating.
Pinit lang ko.
45 people.
Beautiful.
What's your favorite
Look.
dish? Bicol Express.
express.
Beautiful. Thank you, Edward. Hello, good afternoon from Indonesia. You are in the Philippines? Yes.
No.
Mark
Sige na,
Jimenez.
Beta.
I'm
You're
from
my
Berlin.
baby. Hi, Marcus.
From Marcos.
If you cheated on anyone, it means they were not playing their part. Yeah. Ano dan?
Po sila. Katulog.
Parang medyo okay na si Father.
Okay na?
Nakaano na siya. Biglang.
Uunay
Ay,
na
badi ano
pagpapagawa.
yun? Maripolyo. Bawal siya.
Di ko man niya alam tuli.
Ah.
Ano lang, sabaw. Ha?
Oo. Bawal siya sa to.
Pwede?
Binutangan ko yan to daon sili kay para may ano.
Hindi kay... Siya sabi.
Hi, Kiri. Hi, Marcos. Thank you, Marcos. 71 people in the house. Thank you so much. Do you see a lot of white, trusty people visiting there? And how do you feel about them? I feel about them. The white, trusty people visiting there. I think it's disrespectful, but we're trying to be good always.
Excuse me. Excuse me, baka.
Me.
There. Baboy lang.
You think ready to live or work? I'll be back. Thank you, Marcos.
Ano?
What?
Hi, Claudio.
Busog mo na ito.
Ha?
May magkaon ka.
What?
Wow.
Bakit?
What? 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 Nano?
Ama. Hindi ba yan talaga, ha? Ha?
Ay, real Sigma.
Ha?
Real Sigma.
The real Sigma daw.
Hindi urang talaga, ha?
What's your plan for the New Year's block party? Mini foods. Games, family reunion, having a party with family here.
Ayaw ka dito, Loto.
Yes!
Ano ang pinakamapangit mong bata?
Joy, ako ang pinakamagayon.
Ang pinakamaitang mo na bata.
Ako nga ang pinakamagayon. Ako ang pinakamagayon ng bata ni Father.
Ang pinakamahisog.
Ayun lang.
Matibay.
Laglagan. Ang hirap to kasama.
Naglag.
Pangit mo naman ka, Bante.
Ang pangit.
Hello. Ay. Mahalo daw.
Hello! Hello, Bob.
Say die. Hi.
Miko. Hi, Miko.
Si Miki.
People in the house.
Bilusit mo ka muna yan. Sabayan ko ka.
Man.
Pauna mo. Bilusit niya ko muna yan.
Mas mamaya. Arat na.
Yeah. Bilusit?
Nga din nakaon mo.
Mamaya diri na.
Baod.
Laglagan no.
Wala man lamang tinpilter. Norton says, hi,
Very sweet. Sabay
I'm
mo
from
kumain, ha?
America. Hello,
Mali yung feeling
what's your
na.
favorite dessert? Salad.
Buko salad. Hai. Mali yung spelling hi.
Hi.
Hai.
Hi. Hi. You all seem like a great family.
My
Thank you,
name.
Auntie Kelly.
May
Tomorrow we have
pangalan
a
gani.
family
These
banding,
Philippines are bakit?
gathering. Big family. I am from Indonesia, Miko. Miko lovers. Thank you,
Indonesia
Miko
ka?
from Indonesia. If
Ako
she
taga
didn't
Europe.
cheat on an ex, she's perfect woman. Yeah, that's
No?
why I'm not perfect woman.
No. No.
I'm a sinner.
No.
If you can go
Like
in the
what?
island, where would you like to visit? Why? If I can go anywhere in the island, I want to visit Switzerland because for me it's the perfect landscape, beautiful nature. I'm from Buffalo, New York. Hi, Andrew Kelly from New York. Thank you so for joining. Hi, I'm back. Ali Charlie Kai.
What?
You're so pretty. Thank you.
What? What?
Are you still close in Manila? No.
No.
Far in Manila. We're far in Manila.
Ayos. Na kami biyasa.
Basta yun.
Ang mga biyasa mag-cable, giriwang-giwang. Mga Tagalog dito, Tiko. Mga Bicol,
si
mga
Mamay?
cable. Cable.
I am from Indonesia. I'm from Philippines. How's the fishing there?
Sugo na ako.
Fishing here is good. My friend in Manila, do you know? No. Yeah, I know Joseph Estrada, former president in the Philippines.
Kilala mo si Jose Rizal.
If you can change one thing about the white people who visit there, what would that be and why?
Take it.
I want to be being respectful because people here is nice
Mama isugo.
and they need to know the Filipino tradition most are in the province, native country, a native place. Tribe.
What?
I'm not speak Indonesian, sorry.
Can you speak?
Hi, Sun Lives. They're my friends. Ayan. Do you like Modern Family or Glad Not Empowered? No, I don't like
Bawal
them.
ang papay.
Sorry, I don't like.
Sa Ithida.
Half Century Outdoors, thank you. How are ya?
Opdos.
41 people. Naked Place, no?
33. Meow, meow. Meow.
Gusto na yun.
33. Lang.
Merry Christmas to everyone. Thank you.
Hindi naman yung Christmas. New Year naman. Ano? 31 mama, saga.
Your English is very good. Thank you, Andrew Kelly.
What? I'm
Why don't
fine.
you like Joseph Estrada because of family wealth? No, that's not a family wealth.
Oh, doon ako.
Kaya naman di sarap.
Tuyuan. 28 viewers na lang.
Gabi putang kita ko may nina pagkatapos mo.
Asan ba ako nito eh?
Hi, Von.
Nabo ko na. Ubusan yun.
Gusto na nagsabakal.
Hi, thank you so much for joining. You're from where in the Philippines you are? Bicol Province, Philippines. I'm living in Bicol Province, Philippines. Ali Chuck Hayani, bye sis. Cheryl, thank you for joining. See you later. See you next time. Thank you so much. If you really love me, get me. Good morning, Neil Hayden. Thank you so much. Welcome back again. Hi, Po Mom. Hi, Red. Thank you, 40 people. Oh my God.
Kasi,
Yep. Yes.
actually, si Robot, si Renner dito, si Richard Paguli.
Oh, ay diri siway sira ng bus. Pero sarap ay sira. Siway lang sa bus.
Naputo ka, putong mo na, ikaw mapasando dire.
Kaya naman sa mga buhay
Ano
na.
na rin na?
Oo, may korta man sira.
Pagdo man.
Ayaw na, para maka-relax man. Kaya ang tricycle? Ang tricycle? Bem? Ang tricycle? Hindi ko lang mapasundo dito si si Coach. Hindi ko lang. Jin, nagpadala si baka mo?
Ha?
Nagpadala?
Oo.
Din. Ano na ili o kanano?
Hindi ko aram na.
Balikan ng po.
Hindi ko aram kung kanin no.
Para bayaan mo na lang. Sarap. Mauruli, sinama ni Ile. Naglarga kanina. Kung mapasundo. Thank you, Sir Neil. Because my name is Miko. I saw Miko today in Japan. You're in Japan. Hello, Miko lovers. What's up, Lilandron? Bicol, I'm from Bicol. I have present to you. What you present to me? The Japan. Why are Filipinos so pretty? Really? Filipina pretty? Maybe, maybe other Filipino are pretty. Do you have any family or cousin that lives in America? I have a cousin living in America. I don't know where, but I think she live in Chicago. Chicago. She live in Chicago. I don't know where the exact where in Chicago. But she lives in Chicago, USA. Do you prefer Asian man or white man? Any man. At least he respectful, lovable, loyal, and very supportive partner. Yep. Trustworthy. Very important. Respectful. God-fearing. Your English is perfect. Thank you, Miko lovers. What is your name? My name is Cheryl. My name is Cheryl. Cheryl is my name. 27, you play girl. I play girl. Sa una. Hello, Miko. How old are you, Miko? I am going back to sleep, Tugson. Thank you. Yes, need to sleep. Too early there, Sir Neil Hayden. Still early. Go back to sleep. Thank you. Thank you for joining, sir. Can you smile for me? Why? Why I need to smile? Erickson Direct. Ganda. Thank you. With this, Cheryl. Hello, Simon. Why is that? How Simon? Ryan, you just need a half-white Filipino baby and then your whole life will be perfect. Really? Where are you from, Ryan? Where are you from? Your smile is so beautiful. Thank you. This is speak and donation. Ah, okay. What it means? What it means in English? Ah, Ryan from. How old are you, Ryan? Have a great day. You make my day. Thank you. Thank you, Neil. Thank you, Neil Hayden. Come visit Ryan. Hi, beauty lady. Ray Bastings.
Hello po, mabakay po kami scramble ko.
Wow, so yummy.
Mabakay po kami scramble ko.
Ang layak.
Tita,
No?
mabakay po kami scramble.
No. Hi, beauty lady.
Tita, ako na
Redes.
yan.
Ako,
Tita!
Sinta.
Tita! Tita, ako na yan. Ha?
Ako! Mahulog nga niyo. Redes. Ako, Sinta Kalian. What it means?
Baka na kami scramble ko po.
May pakalian ka pa.
Hi. Gamang, ano lang, did you
Lokohan lang.
Sunlight.
Your child.
Mabakay po kami scramble ko.
She's not my child. She's my niece. She's my niece.
Mabakay po kami scramble ko.
daughter.
Diba, my brother's kid.
Yeah,
Mabakay po
daughter.
kami scramble ko. At isang po yata scramble ko. Speaking ka.
Simple by Tribuna.
Magsarado ka
Tribuna
doon, magsarado ka doon.
She's so pretty, yeah.
Sobrang pangit ko siya.
Wait, doon na yun.
Baka na ako scramble ko. Baka na ka Sinabundang ko pa nga niyo. Hindi na mga kulot.
Kaya nga, ayun na ako, kunyari ka pa, nagabot ako. Gagamit ka. Napaliot-liot lang ako.
Ay, tapos sa akin siya. Mundo ko
Bye,
mga
Cheryl.
banal.
Bye, Miko. Thank you for joining, Miko.
Nag-abot ka rin. Hindi mo na ako dito. Nag-abot ka, tapos na ako.
Thank you so much, Miko.
Halos 1 hour ako. 1 hour man ako nag-tuyag. Dali lang.
Ma. Wow. Bye, Cheryl. Bye, Miko. Frank Mello. Hi, Frank Mello. Ang mundo'y gagaan. Thank you. Wow, so beautiful. Baban, kiss mo si tita mo. One more. Three more. One more, baby. Go. Okay. Frank Mello. Thank you so much, Frank Mello, for joining. Thanks a lot.
Nakatas kita. Nakatas. Uy, pani.
tree. Pangarap ko ang bigyan ka. Which country have you traveled? The country I want to travel, going to the I want to visit Switzerland. My dream country want to visit because of the beautiful nature there. It looks like. Thank you so much. Phone call. Oh my god.
Eh. Eh.
Kasi lang, sa kaon ka.
Happy early New Year!
No, ganda talaga nito.
Saan ko ilalagay? Yun doon. No, di ba sa dyan naman?
Anong secret yun? Regalo nga. Dapat ino. Happy early New Year.
Di mo,
Thank
regalo mo.
you. Happy New Year. Advance Happy New Year. Thank you so much. Ba't na naman? Ang ulam ako. Ang tagang ko na ikaw, 20. Na ano ka? O, di ka buwan na. Did you get Instagram follow? I hope I followed right one. How old are you, Ryan? Mustafa. Mustafa. Nagpabato. Gaman na nabuunong ko man sa imo, man. I'm old enough. How? How old? How I know? What is she eating? Salad. Boko salad. I have an egg. I have an egg. "31 people, thank you so much. You look 35 next. 41. I'm 40. 40, 40, 41. Bird. I know.
Ah? Ano pa?
Before.
Ano pa pa?
Perfect age for one more child. Yeah. Yeah, perfect age for one more. Maybe two more. Hi, Mark. I think it's already a lot of people getting drunk in advance of New Year. Say tomorrow, people already a lot of people. Yes, tomorrow for New Year's Eve. Hola, como esta Santa Rosalina amiga from Colombia. Hi, Marco. Mayak, wala ng mundo ko'y gagaan. Mundo ko'y gagaan. Thank you, Mark, for joining here. How are you? You married? No, I'm not. Never been married. I've never been married. Aray, aray ko po.
Teka. Ay, ganito? Wala kang hindi ako dyan. Hindi tayo. Baka dito ako. Mama ko na first cream. Oo, baka ko na yung water.
Thank you, Mark. Mark. Y7. Y7. Sakit ulo. Sakit ulo. Have you dated anyone besides Filipino? No chance. I thought it's happening this December, but it's like impossible. Cheryl, thank you. Thank you, Mark. Cheryl, how are you? Gabi. My gabi is having a magandang gabi. Having a magandang gabi, may gabi. Sakit ulo. Can anyone see my chat? Type 7 if you can see this. Yeah, 7. I will donate if anyone acknowledge me. Thank you so much. Mark acknowledge you, so thank you for donation. Hope it's true, JK. Hi, I love and appreciate you. God bless your beautiful family. Thank you, Bart Aiden. I just did pay attention. Start donating. Yes, start donating. Thank you, Mark. Are you surprised I can speak your language? Yeah, maybe you talk Filipino, something like that. Because a lot of foreigners can talk Tagalog because they talk a lot of Filipinos. That's why. Or maybe you have a Filipino girlfriend. Hi, Galen. Doug Mackay. Hi. Such a cute. Thank you. Jakey, where's your donation? Lol. It did. Oh, yeah. Golden, yes. Golden, he talk a lot of Filipinos. God bless your beautiful family. Thank you, Mart the Thank. Wara Pinoy. Wara Pinoy. Musta? Okay lang po. Mikey. I want the Pinoy. Pinoy so pretty. Really? Why pretty? Pangga. Pangi. Pangi. Hi, are you Tagalog? I'm Bicolana. But I speak Tagalog. Thank you, JK. It's not much, but yeah, it's okay. Fine. It's fine, nothing. Thank you, JK. At least to send. At least you donate. Thank you. I appreciate your donation. Thank you so much, JK. God bless you. Advance Happy New Year. Golden. How much can I meet a Filipino girl? You need not too much, but you can support her, you know. You need to support her. You can buy Jollibee Week when he make tampo. Thank you, it's okay. Yes. When she make tampo, you can buy her Jollibee or can buy a Shopee. Thought I was a shadow band. No, that's not. Thank you, JK. Every little hella. Yeah, every little thing it helps, you know. Yes, that's right. Cheryl, Jack Mackay. You won't get banned. Just don't spam and don't be a pervert. Yeah, thank you, Mark. That's right. No, you are not. Yeah. Cheryl, make tortang talong. Yes, I can make tortang talong, but that's not my favorite food. But where to meet them? Uh, Anywhere here in the Philippines. But be careful, Ryan, to meet Filipino because a lot of Filipino are not all, but some. If you're not lucky, you will meet a bad. But if you are lucky, you will meet a lovable, very respectful woman, a Filipino woman, loyal, amazing woman, smart, loving you, only you, something like that. Way so sexy. Hi Ivan, Glock. I'm back. Hi Glock. Thank you, Ivan. One of my favorite, Doc Mackay. Like you never felt. What is your favorite? My favorite what? Favorite food? My favorite food is a fruit salad, vegetable, fruit, Bicol Express. My favorite color is sky blue. I'm a nature lover. What? Like, thank you so much. 36 hit the last. Thanks a lot. 22 people here. Thank you. Amazing, you're over 40. Ah, yes. I'm turning 41 this February. Brain loading sometimes. Yeah. No, always. Can can you go unblock all the accounts your ex boyfriend from commenting on your channel? No, I'm not. Did not block him. Did not block her. Did not that block. I have one ex. No, not one, just two ex. In my whole life, I have two ex. Oh my god, same age as anak ko. Ah, really? Is red horse beer or liquor any good? Red horse, Sunbig apple, bear gluck. Happy birthday to you from now. From now. And New Year's Eve. For New Year's Eve. Anak ko just turned 41 November. Oh, same age, 1985. We're same age. We born in 1985. Rotten, why? Thank you so much, 18 people in the house. Be back in a minute. I have to pay. Yes, okay. Take your time, Sir Mark. Thank you for the time. 1984 for him because you were in February 2026. Yeah, 1985. I'm 40, yes, 1985, 40. Next year, turning 41, 1940, and 1985. Oh, you're not that far from me. You're 5 years older than me, yeah. He's 1984. So your son or your kid turning 42. He's 41 now. He turned 41. No, he turning. He turned 41. That's why. Next year, he turning 42. I'm 40 going on 35. What? 42 November, yeah, 42 November 2026. Yes, 1984. I'm banned on my original channel, The Bears. I never was a pervert but get banned. Who banned you? King David, who banned you? I never banned you. But basically the same age. Okay, yeah, basically the same age. Yes, just 2 months, just 2 months, ano, behind. But only 3 months. Yeah, only 3 months. Yeah, just 3 months ahead. 3 months ahead. Correct. If you go on there, I can fix it. Maybe you can fix it. How unbanned? I don't know how to unban. Anak pa. May anak ako isa. May anak ako isa. Dok Makay. Girl, boy po, boy. Visiting what? Visiting Doma in 2 weeks. Meeting my lady there. She is 32 and I'm 40. I think it's good. A perfect age, both of you black. Yep, yep. It depends what they did. Yeah, it depends what they did. Can we see your toes? Any nail polish? My toes is like this. Look, my toes. What? Where? Nail polish. But ugly. My nail is ugly. Go on your YouTube studio and you can fix it. Me? Me? Okay, I will. I want to try Red Horse and have a margarita on a beach. Wow, social. Yes, you. Okay. I will try. Guinea zidide. Guinea say. Yes, your nails don't look ugly. Yeah, my nails are ugly. My God. Je ne sais. Like it's Red Horse stronger. Yeah, stronger. One bottle of Red Horse. I'm drunk. I felt drunk. One bottle of Red Horse. I felt drunk. Do you still use gym socks? Yeah, I can. If I can earn money, I will. I can sell. Cheryl, lolo ako. 2 grandchildren. Okay. Wow, that's great, Doug Mackay. How are you? I'm fine. Daughter, I 37 has 2 children. Wow, I will. Was why will. You have really pretty face. Great. I'd like to purchase 2 socks, 1 pair in total. Please go to gym before mailing to America. Huh? What? I'd like to purchase 2 socks, 1 pair in total. Please go to gym before mailing to. Did you understand that? I know I don't understand. I don't understand. Sorry, Ryan. Oh my god. 26 people in the house. I knew you didn't understand that. Yeah, I don't understand. What does that mean? 'Cause if you will love me, gonna get you love me harder. He wants yours. Oh my god. No. And he will buy it from you. You will buy it from me. How much? My god. Girl. Hi you. My god. Gonna say.
Anak mo na kaya, Ben?
Cheryl, do you speak any Hiligaynon? No, I don't speak. I don't speak. I don't know how to speak Hiligaynon. Sorry, my. Hello, I don't Lima, Arabia. I don't understand your language. Thanks for the info, everyone. Catch you later. Thank you, Glock. Catch you later. I thought you said you were selling used hoodie socks after working out. I apologize. Okay. No, I'm not selling. I thought you offered me to job for selling sock. Oh my god. Be careful with that. Or they start ask for other things. Okay. Waha. Jose Rodriguez. Suido in Masbate Island. Okay. Me, Bisacol. Where are you, Bisacol? Good evening. Hi, Rodrigo. I'm fine, Rodrigo. How about you? Long time no here. Some though. Hey, beautiful. Zero. Like and subscribe, friends. Thank you, Rodrigo. Happy New Year. Thanks. $50 $50 for used socks is a good deal. Used socks. How many used socks? Ew. Smelly, the used sock. You got to forgive her, Brian. Don't load right sometimes. Yeah. My God. More beautiful today. Nice legs. Say so, thanks. You can say 2 socks for $50. The more smell, the better. Ew. No. No deal. Mm-mm. Ugh. Ryan. It's a no deal. No deal. Malay mo, bilog ang mundo. Did you go today? Oh, make Rico wait. Wait. I just got home. Just home. How about you, man? Do you have nail polish or on or it that's your natural nail? My natural nail just put it on nail polish. Not Zeta. Zeta. Thank you, Zeta. Mm, mm, mm. Wait, can you back up again and bend down to pick up the wrapper? Watching live at Papua New Guinea. 19 people in the house. Thank you. 43 likes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful angel. If you really love me, gonna get love you. Really strong legs. Do you go to the gym? James Hagen. Hello, you're hot. Thank you. Hi from Devil's Elbow, Missouri Midwest, USA. Did you win the card game, Cheryl? No, I'm a loser. My God, I'm a loser. Let's dance. So was resistance. The is a resistance. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo. How bad did you lose? Yeah, I'm lost. I'm not expert about that game. You are beautiful. Thank you, James Hogan. Hmm. I felt headache. Oh my god. Maybe I need to take a nap. I felt sleepy. I would eat the groceries. Okay. Eat your groceries. I would eat the groceries. Maybe my love will come back someday. King David, if we get time, can you try to unban my original account? The verse 2025 channel. Okay, I will try. I'm not promised, but I will try. Okay, the verse. Thank you, the bears. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. Kuya Dre, hope everyone is behaving. Yeah. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Thank you so much. I need I need to put what tawag ito because I fell a little bit. A lot energy girl, yeah. A lot. You have really shiny hair. Thank you, Cedric. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Cedric. Andika. Andika. No, if she do, don't say any that come out. Wire then the mud won't be black you. Okay. I followed you on Instagram too. You followed me? Get hungry now. You followed me? I don't know. I'm not always there. I'm not visiting there and get hungry now. Get hungry now. Beautiful legs and calves. Metatron. What's your guy on Instagram? Thank you so much for joining. 13 people in the house. Party like. More like my friend, please. Yeah. I need to. Oh my god. I need to end the live because I felt a bit. Thank you so much. Hope to see you. Bye bye. Love you all.